Georgia Capitol Newsroom, more funding for mental health services.
Lawmakers are looking to expand an existing law. WSAV's Archie Shashadri is looking at what they're proposing.
State lawmakers say funding mental health will reduce crime and homelessness.
I think it's going to be coming with the first contact of when a person calls and someone's having a mental issue by first responders. We see that all over the country we've had issues where law enforcement may have not known how to really react and interact with an individual with a mental health crisis.
But we will continue to address the outpatient treatment relating to mental health care.
State lawmakers say a huge part of this year's budget is on resources to find the right people for the right job, which includes finding the right police officers for public safety, counselors for mental health, teachers for Georgia's schools, as well as nurses to help Georgia's hospitals.
But I think that having more diversity training, things of that nature with law enforcement, also EMTs, paramedics, and getting more crisis teams.
A new mental health law that now is in effect requires insurance companies to report how they will provide care and track consumer complaints.
Last year's bill did have tax credits in there for people who practice in rural areas relating to mental health.
The state lawmakers will also take breaks over the next few months for appropriation committee meetings and hearings as they review legislation before it actually lands on the Senate or House floor. Archie Shashadri, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Lawmakers say part of the training will focus on law enforcement, and officers will have the skills to de-escalate a situation with someone suffering a mental health crisis instead of taking them to jail.